Kanina ba yung baka nagugutom?
Shout out. Pulang ka, ini pulang ka. Tara!
Number 16, 2 minutes.
Tinakdakan siya, siyempre na lang.
Oh, sige.
Fernandez to Gabarubias Jr. again. Miss. We have a foul. Foul on number 21.
Meron ako.
Penalty.
Shoutout dyan, shoutout. Ay, nagutom.
Again po, paalala sa lahat, ang substitution is pag kulang po yung team. Pag complete po pong 15, wala pong substitution yan.
Mag-rice ka pa?
Oh, may rice pa?
Rice?
Oh, sorry.
And to all also, your water bottles, pakitapon po sa basura.
Walang tubig, ba't ka lumalangoy?
Fernandez to Cruz. Cruz, what a fake! But he missed that layup, rebound by Cruz. And he is fouled.
Tartado si TJ. Lumalangoy si TJ.
Ten seconds left. Rebound by Fernandez. 5 seconds. That will be the end of the third quarter. 41-39 in favor of Barsha Warriors.
Kalabite?
Back to the ball game.
Okay, let's start the ball game.
Wow!
Where will I return this microphone?
41 all, 9 minutes and 37 seconds in this ball game. Nieva, Plaza, pass it to Nieva. Nieva
Way!
is a foul. The foul will be on number 18. The first personal foul, first team foul, Barsha Warriors. Okay, 5 minutes stop clock. 5 minutes. Sorry, 3 minutes. 3 minutes stop clock. 3 minutes. Substitution, substitution, substitution. Mondragon to holds his foul. A foul on 555 Nieva. Second personal foul, first team foul, Romeo and friends. Holds air ball. Substitution, 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 substitution. Tawagin nyo po kasi running time. Tawagin nyo. (42-41) in favor of Romeo and friends, the green team. Plaza misses that three. What a save by Solis. Nieva now. 10 on the shot clock. Teardrop by 777 Aquino. Miss Mondragon. What a good defense by Aquino. Hell ball. The ball will be awarded to Barsha Warriors. Tierra.
Galing sa labas.
(11 on the shot clock. 11 on the shot clock. What a good defense. Pero and friends, what a good stop by Rojas.
Nice D.
6 minutes and 30 seconds. 42-41 in favor of dark green. Time out! Barsha Warriors.
Hoy, kumain na kayo!
Shout out. Boss Leo, puso. Boss Leo, puso mo. Oo naman.
Okay,
Malinaw
back
na
to the
malinaw
ball game.
yan.
Again, that timeout is brought to you by the Drummer Sports in collaboration with Dubai Police and Positive Spirit. The man on camera, Kai. She's the lady on the the right side. Nieva, easy too. Extending the lead to 44-41. 6 minutes and 15. Mondragon to Tierra. Tierra drives, forces his way basket for two. (44-43) Plaza. Number 22, air ball. We have a foul away from the ball. Foul will be on number 18. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Ten on the shot clock. Solis fakes. Miss Nieva with that rebound, and here's a foul.
Grabe mo.
Foul number 0. Substitution, substitution. Tierra, that will be your first personal foul. Third team foul. Again, to all the fans and to all Al Barsha community, thank you for supporting Dubai Police. Positive Spirit event. See you all next week. Nieva connects that one. Missed the second one. Rebound by Rojas to Tajas. Tajas sprinting into Tierra. Tierra is blocked by Ayan. Nieva with that one. Plaza is running in. Plaza with that Euro. Drops it to Solis. What a good foul by Rojas. Tierra is left alone. Bang. Time out. Remayan friends.
Di pa diniretso ni Plaza.
We have a deadlock. 45 all. 4 minutes and 30. Okay, Barsha Warriors, 2 timeouts left. Romeo and Friends, 1 timeout left. 4 minutes and 30, 45 all. And also you can watch us online, just like the page Jammer Sports. Fall on 555. Substitution. Nieva, that will be your 3rd personal foul. Tajas. Tierra.
Okay na, boy. Okay na. Salamat.
Rojas. What a good defense by Romeo and Friends. Plaza now controlling the ball. Plaza stepping back 3. Air ball rebound by Rojas. And Rojas is fouled by number 22, Solis. Substitution. Solis, that will be your 2nd personal foul. A 3rd team foul. Romeo and Friends.
Damay, pasok yung si Damay.
Tajas slashing through, lifting violation. Stop time, 3 minutes.
Nice. All lang naman, all. Grabe. Ito ba, gitna lang. Panalo kayo dyan. Jem, karasyan mo, Jem. Pre, kalabawin mo.
Jem, sumigaw ka pag sinasaktan ka para makamakit.
45 all, 3 minutes. Last 3 minutes of this ball game. Number 16 harassed by Tajas. To Aquino. Defended by Mondragon, number 16. To Solis, 10 on the shot clock. Solis!
Wow! Easily up!
47-45. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Tierra! Basket counts! Plus a foul! Foul the number 22, Solis. Solis, that will be your 3rd personal foul. Again, we have a deadlock. 47 all. Romeo and Friends, 4th team foul. Basket for Tierra. Bringing the lead by 1 in favor of Barsha Warriors. Aquino.
Wow!
Foul on number 21, Mondragon.
Penalty.
Substitution. Mondragon, 1st personal foul. Substitution. Both teams warning for penalty. Plaza, 48-47, 2 minutes and 20. Solis spinning that one, fake, spinning again.
Wow!
39-41. What a good defense by Ayan. But Ayan steps out of bounds. 2 minutes and 12 seconds. 49-38. 1 point lead in favor of Green. Sabelio, what a look pass, but number 15 Fernandez missing that one. Plaza with that leather. Last 2 minutes. 10 on the shot clock. Aquino fakes jab step to Plaza. 5. Shot clock violation. 1 minute and 33 seconds. 49-48. 1 point lead in favor of Romeo and friends. The green one. Fernandez to number 13 to Tierra. Tierra drives, powering inside to Fernandez. 10 on the shot clock. 3 seconds violation. What a good defense by green team. 1 minute and 27. Plaza with that lever to Aquino. 1 minute and 20. 10 on the shot clock. Solis stops. Comes. Bang! 4 point lead. 52.
Wala na. Balis na.
Plaza is fouled by number 10 Holtz. Blocking foul. That will be your first personal foul. Second team foul. A foul before the act of shooting. Damay taking that long three, and he is a foul. Foul will be on number 9. 3 free throws will be awarded to Damay. The first personal foul is Pinas, a third team foul, Parsha Warriors. Damay missed his first free throw. He connects the second one. Missed the third one. Rebound by Holtz to number 21 Mondragon. Mondragon to Holtz. Holtz drives lefty, blocked by number 2 Ayan. 4 minutes 15 on the shot clock. Mondragon missed that one. Ayan with adwards to Plaza. 23-13, 10-point ball game in favor of Romeo and friends. 3 minutes and 45. Plaza showing some skills to Reyes. Is left alone. Reyes missed that one. What a rebound by Ayan. Ayan with that putback. Making it a 12-point ball game. 3 minutes and 30. What a good steal by Plaza. Backing foul. Foul on number 2. Illegal pick. Reyes, that will be your first personal foul. Second team foul. Romeo and friends.
Sponsored by
3 minutes and 10 seconds. Mondragon. 10 on the shot clock. Espinas. Air ball. Plaza. 3-on-3 transition. Plaza fake spins, kicking it out to Reyes. Reyes forces his way through, but he is blocked with a putback by Reyes. Basket for 2. 27-13. Mondragon to Espinas, back to Mondragon. Mondragon is blocked by Ayan. Basketball count.
Sapo-sapo.
Foul number 14.
Foul daw, Damay.
First personal foul. Third team foul. Lozano misses charity free throw. Early lane violation and the ball will be awarded to Romeo and Friends. 2 minutes left in the second quarter. 27-15 in favor of Romeo and Friends. Romeo and Friends is ahead by 12. Imperial fakes, double fakes, but he is blocked by Holtz. He's Pinas off the glass. 1 minute and 35 seconds. That will be your second personal foul. Miss a free throw by number 18, Cabarubias. Cabarubias Jr. connects the second one. Double foul was called. The foul on blue number 25 and number 18 of Romeo and Friends.
Ang ginagawa mo? Ang ginagawa ni Romeo? Diba? Binablock niya si Soro kaagad eh.
0, taking 3 minutes, rebound by number 15, Fernandez. And the ball was out of bounds. Number 16, Bergonia to number 5. Traveling violation was called on number 5. Fernandez to Bergonia. Bergonia faking the 3. What a good defense by Tahas. Tahas with that lefty connects for 2. What a good defense by blue team. Tierra picks up that loose ball to number 13. Number 13 first his way through, missed that one. Rebound still in blue. Kicking out to Tahas. Tierra to number 14. Cruz. From underneath the basket. 34-27. The lead is down to 7. 6 minutes and 10 seconds. Cabarubias Jr. Bang. Long 2. Tahas. Number 13. Blocking foul will be called on number 5, Fernandez. That will be your second personal foul. Third team foul, Romeo and Friends. Tierra fakes. Jab step. Back to Tierra. Tierra drives to the left. Lays it up. Unsportsmanlike foul was called on number 4, Bergonia. No jumpers. Basket counts. Tierra again. Pass to Fernandez. The shot is too strong. What a good defense by Cruz. No look, pass to Tahas. Tahas loses the ball.
Boss Leo, shout out.
4 minutes and 35 seconds. 36-29. 7-point lead in favor of Romeo and Friends. Top ball. It's a good ball. Fernandez loses control of the ball. Tierra. Baseball pass to Tahas. It's an easy 2. 36-31. Almost stolen. Double dribble. Time out from Romeo and Friends.
Boss
Again, this
Leo.
segment is brought to you by Jammer Sports in collaboration with Dubai Police Positive Spirit. And also shout out to our referees, SBP officials, Samahang Basketball ng Pilipinas. And again, our man on camera, Mr. Maki Lorbes. Cabarubias Jr. What an interception by blue team.
Wow.
Using his body. Basket for two, cutting down the lead to 3. 36-33, 3 minutes and 40 seconds.
Ano mo ko isa?
Pressure defense.
Dalawa mo na.
Still blue.
Dalawa mo na.
Cabarubias Jr. misses that one. Rebound will be a number 16, 18-foot jumper. Misses that one again. Rebound by Tajas. Cruz is left alone. Cruz easy too. Cutting down the lead.
Nice
to
pass, Leo.
36-35. What a good defense by Cruz.
Dinakdakan lang ba iyo?
Shanghai, lang kaya Shanghai.
Dinakdakan lang.
Cabarubias is back. 36-35. Fourth quarter pa. Relax lang kayo mga sir. Number 18 to Fernandez with that 18-foot jumper. Missed that one. Rebound will be a number 13. Taas again. Easy two. Change favor now. 37-36 in favor of Barsha Warriors. Everyone, welcome to the third game. This will be Romeo and Friends versus Barsha Warriors. Shout out daw sa number 13 ng volleyball. Anong kulay? Kulay green. You have a fans out here at the basketball court. Say hi to your fan. Early tap. The first possession will be on blue team.
Hey! Go, Badong!
Ay, shout out din to. Wala.
Badong! Badong!
What a good save by number 8. Number 8 now running the game. Lays it in. First
Oy,
blood.
Torio!
Will be on Romeo and Friends.
Grabe si Wawi, oh.
The enemies are in blue. Number 4 fake drops it to number 15. What a good defense by 7-7-7. It's a jackpot number. Jackpot yan sa scatter mga brad. Yung 5-5-5 sardinas lang po yun. What a pass to number 15. Number 4 with that jumper miss this time. Rebound by Jackpot. 9 minutes and 9 seconds. Again at your table officials, Mr. Jeff Ocampo, Mr. Paul, and yours truly. Miscommunication by 5-5-5 and 7-7-7. Bawal po yung 6-6-6. And at your camera, Mr. Maki. Number 0 forces his way through. What a good rebound by number 22 of Team Gray. Number 11, Obispo. Taking that 3. Miss. Rebound by 5-5-5. Basket to foul number 20. That will be your first personal foul. First team foul on blue team. 5-5-5 miss his free throw. Rebound by 0. 0 to number 4 Rojas.
Blocking
foul was called on
Blocking
number
foul.
18. First personal foul. First team foul on Gray. Romeo and Friends. Number 18. Number 4. Missed that one again. Number 2 without boards. Aquino stops, pumps, miss. Rebound by 0. To Rojas, to Tisaluna, to Tierra, fakes, drives, and we have a whistle. The foul will be on number 555. First personal foul, second team foul on Romeo and friends. Tisaluna!
Wow!
Miss. Rebound by Tierra. Tierra to Rojas. Rojas! Miss that one from underneath the basket. Number 0. And we have a whistle again. Foul will be on number 18. That will be your second personal foul.
Pasok mo, Moy!
Yun, Papa.
Shit! Sorry.
This is first charity. Running score will be 4-love in favor of Romeo and friends.
Romeo and Juliet.
6 minutes and 37 seconds. Tierra misses a both. Rebound will be on number 777. Number 22 now, handing that header to Nieva. Nieva drives. Traveling violation was called on Nieva. 5 minutes and 15 seconds of 4-love.
Uy, may na-injured na doon sa football.
Rojas. What a good defense.
Uy, tae.
But he steps out of bounds.
May tae.
Rojas fading away, pumps in the air, but he missed that one. Nieva with that rebound. Slowing down the ball.
Solis by 3. Wow.
Number 22, 3 points, 7-love in favor of Romeo and friends. Solis, that's the first. Tisaluna fakes, drives, kicking it out. 10 on the shot clock. Airball, Obispo with that rebound. Running down again. To number 18, Torio taking that 3, missed this time. Rebound by Tisaluna. Tisalina now, Tisaluna.
Yes, Moy!
To 0-0.
Bang, bang! Wow!
First blood for Barsha Warriors. 7-3. Obispo taking his own 3, missed this one. What a rebound!
Foul!
Foul on number 22. Solis. Time out! Barsha Warriors. As for the Romeo and friends.
Jomay!
Okay, back to the ball game. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. 7 against 3 in favor of Romeo and friends. Tisaluna. To Rojas.
Yono.
Torio with that rebound. To Nieva. Nieva slowing down their offense to Aquino. Aquino drives, pass it to no one. Rojas drives, drops it to number 0, but what a good defense by Romeo and friends. Aquino now to Nieva. Nieva with a little move using his body. Tierra lays it in. Cutting down the lead to 2, 7 against 5 in favor of Romeo and friends. Number 22, Solis. The Solis with a long 3, miss. Rebound by Tisaluna. Tisaluna to Rojas. Rojas to number 23, airball. Rojas with that boards. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Number 23 again. Airballs that one again. Rebound by number 11 to 777. To Nieva. Nieva escaping with that defense. Lays it in. Time out. Barca Warriors. This timeout is brought to you by Jammer Sports in collaboration with Dubai Police. Thank you for... Okay, back to the ball game. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 9 against 5. Rojas. Jera! What a defense, but here's a foul. Foul on 777 Aquino. That will be your first personal foul.
Pasok mo, May!
Penalty. Tierra connects his first Charity, cutting down the lead to 3, 9 against 6. 50 seconds left in this first quarter. Tierra connects the both. Makes it 9 against 7, 45 seconds. Solis. Nieva. Miscommunication again. Tisaluna waiting for his teammates. To Rojas. Rojas fading away. Miss. Rebound by number 11. To number 22. Solis. Solis. No look pass to Aquino. Aquino.
Wow!
Basket will count. Foul number 4. Rojas. First personal foul, second team foul. Barca Warriors. That's the end of the first quarter with a running score of 11-7 in favor of Romeo and friends. Okay, second 5 with the center court, please. Ball possession will be Barca Warriors.
Tatakbo lang kayo.
Sorry. Ball possession will be Romeo and friends. Again, guys, thank you for participating this event initiated by Positive Spirit of Dubai Police. Reyes taking the 3, bang! Entering the second quarter with 3 points, so 14-7 in favor of Romeo and friends. Number 21 taking his own 3, miss at 1-1 by number 26.
Sa inyo na nga iling-iling pay. Iling-iling pay.
Reyes to Plaza. Plaza to number 2. Pumps, miss, rebound by number 9. Number 9 to number 10 is foul, basket will count. Foul will be a number 2. That will be your first personal foul. First team foul. Number 2, Ayan, that will be your first personal foul. First team foul. Miss free throw. Rebound by Ayan. To Plaza. Plaza escaping for that defense, but he missed that shot. Rebound by number 9. Cross court pass on number 20. Number 20, touchdown.
AC basket. AC Liga.
14-11, 3-point ball game. 7 minutes and 25 seconds. Plaza.
Damay!
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 3 points! Damay na daw lahat. Pati kapitbahay. Number 2, Ayan connects for 2, makes it 19-11, 8-point ball game, 6 minutes and 50 seconds. Mondragon to number 20, fakes, takes the 3, miss. Rebound by number 2, Reyes. Plaza to Damay, fakes to number 2, fake that one again, pass it to number 26, and number 26 is fouled by number 20. Frianiza. First personal foul, first team foul, Barsha Warriors. Imperial miss his first free throw. Time out! Barsha Warriors. Shout out to the Jammers organizer, the lady on this event, Miss Janina Agum. The lady beside me, she is the woman. 48, Tahas, intercepted by Plaza.
Patay oras! Patay oras!
9 seconds, 4-point lead in favor of Green. Plaza.
Patay oras! Patay oras! Patay oras! Patay oras!
Time on the shot clock. 45 seconds. 5. Plaza kicking it out to Solis. To Ayan. Missed that one. Rebound by Tahas. Slashing through, but what a good defense by Aquino. Ayan with the ball. To Solis.
Kill the ball! Kill the ball!
Penalty. Foul on 0. Tierra. Tierra, that will be your second personal foul. 2 free throws will be awarded to Plaza. 24 seconds.
Shout out, Moon!
Alam lang kung sino panalo.
Pasok mo! Oh, safety na yan.
Plaza putting some finishing touches on this ball game. 53-48, a 5-point ball game in favor of Romania and friends. Plaza putting some icing on the cake. Time out! Barsha Warriors.
Shout out!
Okay, back to the ball game. Last 24 seconds of this ball game. 54-48. A 6-point lead in favor of Romeo and friends. 2-possession ball game. Tierra. What a good defense by Aquino. 23 seconds. A pushing foul was called on number 18. Sorry, it's number 13.
Ano yan? Ano yan?
$23 seconds of 54-48. Ayan is fouled by number 13, Sabilio. 2 free throws.
Yo, sa half court, Boss Leo, sa half court. Ha!
Ayan connects the first of free throw. Makes it 55-48. Rebound. Will be on blue. Shot clock is off. 15 seconds. Take care, Manasur. Take care.
Pasok ko.
Cruz a miss.
Isa pa.
Rebound by Rojas to Mondragon. Mondragon misses that one again. Rebound by Ryan. Last 4 seconds. The foul on number 4. Rojas. 2 free throws will be awarded to Solis. The Solis miss.
Yun, tapos din.
Congratulations, Romeo and friends. And what a nice fourth
48,
ball game.
56.
Barsha Warriors. See you in the next game.